Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the demo session on QA and QC. A quick announcement before starting the session. A link will be put up on the chat box at end of the session. So after the session, if you would like to join the course, you can register using that link. The link will be valid only till 2 p.m. tomorrow. Now, without any further delay, I would like to welcome Shrikant sir to start the session. Thank you.
So, good evening all. This is Shrikant. So, let's start the QA/QC presentation. So basically, QA/QC is a quality assurance and quality control. So, defines QA/QC. So, quality assurance is like quality assurance can be defined as part of quality management focused on providing confidence that quality requirements will be fulfilled, or other way, all the planned and systematic activities implemented within the quality systems. So this is the quality assurance. We have to this is the QA part will be like we are assuring that as the product or any building that will be in a good condition with the process which has been implemented by the organization, and that will be fulfilled by the this quality department. It's a QA. Defines QA, and quality control will be like quality control can be defined as part of a quality management focused on fulfilled quality requirements. So while quality assurance relates to how a process is performed, and quality control is more the inspection aspects and quality management. So basically, quality control will be like, so we have to involve in the process and we have to control the process, and any deviations in the activities, like any skipping and shortcuts will be done from the execution team, that will be highlighted, and that should be controlled. It's a part of quality control. So during process itself, we have to control the this proper process of the work. So this is the QA and QC. This will be QA and QC, quality assurance and quality control. So next, moving into course content will be like, so concrete works and block work, plastering, painting, tiling, marble and granite and woodworks, VDF flooring and gypsum works. So snagging, lab tests and My1 shuttering work, power tools, so expansion joint treatment, so waterproofing work, anti-termite treatment, so epoxy flooring. So these are the course content. So mainly we'll look into, see, this is concrete. So first topic will be like a session will be like concrete. So what we'll see in this means main key parts. So what and all we have to check as a QA/QC engineer. So first we have to know the process of the work. So first, if we know the process of work, and then we can control the this quality parameters. So if we know the proper process, then we come to know that where the deficiency will happen, and that can be controlled by as a quality engineer. So concrete, what and all we have to see in concrete. Concrete is like from the start material, source of the material to, so it's a placing and compacting and curing till this process we have to check the concrete parameters. So mainly, so testing of raw materials and source of the raw materials, and so if comes to the batching plant means, so type of the batching plant and what are the parameters we have to check. So calibrations and this and material testing and lab setup. So what and all lab equipment we require. So these kind of tests and material tests we have to do. So mixed designing, and based on the mixed design, we have to control the moisture correction. Then these and all basic things which, one second. Sorry. So these are the basic basic things we can understand the concrete process. So this will be like after that concrete production, what and all tests and what and all parameters we have to check. As I example, as per the mixed design batching slip, we have to check a slump. That test will be all know. So after that, after going to the site and what type, which process we have to maintain and what type of tools and this materials we have to use for the compaction and placing of the concrete, what initial curing we have to do, so what time we have to curing has to be done to avoid the cracks, what and all we have to do. So that are all the things we will learn in the concrete topic. And next comes to the block work. So mainly after the concreting we go for the block work. So after the block work, before the block work, what and all we have to see. After the deshattering, we have to 100% of deshattering. We have to check the surface hacking is done or not. Example, hacking. What type of means hacking should be done? Like 80 indents per square feet, and what is the length of the this hacking indent? So then, what is the depth of that hacking indent? And so these are the hacking. You can see before block work, we will come to know these are the process which we can learn. So hacking process. So after that hacking work, what we have to do is this lathe plastering. So splatter dash that we'll call, so that that proportion and how much curing we have to do. So after that, so type of the block work, solid block work. So solid blocks, hollow blocks, like AAC blocks now latest. So these kind of blocks are that properties and how to control the cracks and all. So to avoid future problems, what we have to do while doing itself. So where the band has to become, so where the hacking has to be done. So these are the pointing, these are the parameters we have to check, and we are the key points that we can learn. So during, before, post check we have to do, and during this activity, what and all we have to check, and after the completion of this activity, what and all checks we can do. So these are the things we can learn with the block work process. So these are the plastering topic. In plastering, it's supposed to be internal plastering and external plastering. So for the example, internal plastering, how will we fix the button mark, and before button marks, what and all, if it is a block joint and concrete surface, that where which mesh we have to fix, and for the electrical conduits, any chippings has been done, for that which type of mesh we have to fix. So these and all things we can learn from this topic. So in internal plastering also, for the lintel placing, so what and all bearing for the this lintels, how much we have to give for the nib column. So we can see in the plastering work. So next comes to the painting works. So in this topic we can learn, so painting, like what type of the paintings we can use. So enamel, emulsion, structure emulsion, so premier emulsion, and high range emulsion, means top end emulsions can be used, and enamel paint, what type of finishing we require. So surface preparation, putty work, acrylic putty, powder based putty. So external, if you come to the external work, so like texture finishing, bubble textures are there, so scratch finishing will be there. So these kind of many finishing activities you can learn, and you can see the pictures also. So these are the process very useful for the finishing activities. So how this texture will happen, scratch finishing will happen. So step by step procedure before putty application, what we have to do. So mixing proportion of this putty, cement based putty and paint, how much dilution we have to do with the water, and sanding paper. So emery paper we call. So that emery paper for the sanding the putty, how much the sizes we have to choose. So what better sizes we can achieve good finishing. So these kind of the key points we can learn, and as well as for the all topics referral IS codes we can means refer that one. So for the reference purpose, so for all the activities we have the separate IS codes, so that I will tell you where the key points we can keep in mind, and any clients requirements are there, so we can tell them this in this referral refer IS code to, so we can identify the any mistakes like that, we can convey them. So next comes to the tiling work. So next topic, tiling. As we all know, tile wall dadoing will be there, floor tiling, and in this process. So what initially we have to do for the toilet first? Which tile we have to fix, floor or wall tile? So after fixing, so before that floor tile, what and all we have to check. So before floor tiling for the toilet, we have to check for the this bore packing, ponding test of the toilet, and any leakages that leakage arrangement we have to done. So after that, waterproofing. So types of waterproofing will be there. In that topic, we can learn types of waterproofing. What system will be there? System will be there. So kind of two types of systems are there. So and tools, mainly tools. What tools can be used for the tiling work? So this kind of very silent features we can learn from this topic. So as well as next will be marble and granite work. So mainly in marble and granite work, types of granite. So types of finish, example Sadrali and desert brown, jet black, like that. In Sadrali only riverbed wash, so leather finish. So like this, various types of granites are there. So based on that, we can learn the granite fixing work also, and types of granite also, and marbles also. Marbles will be like how to fix the marble, what pigments will be used for the hello. So as I said, for the marble fixing, a process of marble methodology for this marble fixing. So these kind of topics we can learn in the marble and granite finishing work. So mainly woodworks. So types of wood and what and all tests we have to do when we receive the frames of this door and the shutter of the doors. What kind of tests we have to do, and after fixing, how to fix, the process of the fixing, and what and all means checks we have to do after fixing, and what finish will be done for the door. So these kind of things we can learn in the woodwork. So VDF flooring. So these two types of flooring will be there, VDF and IPS. So in this topic, we can learn the process of the VDF flooring, pre-checking means during concreting. So after the post-checking, and after that, after finishing, uh, what care should be taken from the our side. So these are the things we can learn from the VDF topic. So gypsum work. In this gypsum work, we can learn. So nowadays we used to do with the gyprock plastering for the ceiling walls. For the Maivan work is there. So we will go for the bondit and gyprock work. So that process we can learn, and this the gypsum boxing. So for the boxing fall ceiling work and toilet fall ceiling work, and any lobby area for the concealing of this plumbing and electrical lines, we can use for this gypsum work. So for this, what is the process and type of the gypsum material? If in case of weather, exposed to the weather, what type of board? So types of and method of the fixing and screwing method. Distance of the fixing, and so mainly snagging. So for the snagging, very main things are we have to learn is, so if it is a residential project, first we used to will divide for the 3 stages, 3 to 4 stages. So first stages will be first snag, second snag, and third snag and summer. So these are the snagging. So for in this case, first snagging will be like for the first snagging, we have to go for the door and window opening clearances. So for that, what and all requirements will be there, what activities should be finished. So these kind of things we can learn from the snagging. And second snagging will be like painting clearance. Painting, for the painting clearance, what checks we need to do, what documents we have to require. So these things we can learn from the second snagging. So third snagging will be like joint filling. So for the tiles, grouting and silicon sealant and housekeeping activity. These are the things. And fourth snagging will be like, so minute defects we have to identify, and that we have to get it done, and we have to hand it over to customer or the client. So these are the things we can learn from the snagging part. So normally lab tests, as we can learn here. So all the type of materials we can test it here, and calibration, internal calibration we can check. So normally for the right angle and spirit level. So these are the lab tests we can learn from the all type of material. So in this lab test topic. So for the Maivan shuttering. So for the Maivan shuttering, we can learn types of type of the different types of parts of the Maivan, and this how process of this Maivan work. So then next, what and all quality checks we have to do for the Maivan shuttering, and initial receiving of the Maivan shuttering, and initial receiving to till first setting, and after the concreting. So during concreting, what and all checks we have to do, that can be learned from this Maivan shuttering activity. So mainly power tools for the construction work. Main tools required are power tools. So these are the tools which area we require this tool, means what is suitable for that activity, that can be explained from this topic. So this is so you can learn as a safety wise as well as so process wise what tools will be required for that particular activity that can be learned from the power tools activity. Expansion joint treatment. In this case, we can learn treatment of the expansion joint. So what materials we have to use. So for the 100 mm, 50 mm, so like that, different types of means expansion joint. So we can choose different material specification and method of test. So that can be learned from this expansion joint treatment topic. So mainly waterproofing. This is the means in this top tanking method. So white tanking method. So cementitious waterproofing, undertile waterproofing. So different kind of means for the balcony, toilet, and OHT overhead tanks, for the UGSUM tank, for the terrace flooring. So for the and for podium work. So different kind of materials will be there. So different type of waterproofing methodology will be there for the PCC from the foundation to till the end of this OHT. So what type of waterproofing we have to do and what test we have to do. So for the remedial actions, so what checks we can choose. So these kind of things we can learn from the waterproofing topic. So many more things we can learn this training that key features like important any course that can be learned from these topics. So main thing is as a QA/QC we should learn first what is the process of the activity. So first we have to know the process. So then only we can come to know the where defects can be happen and that can be controlled by our side. So thank you. So any doubts in this, you can ask. Hello.
Hello, sir. There are some questions in the chat box.
Okay.
दोघांनी 500 मिळून दिले मी एक 1000 रुपये तू न म्हणता
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. They are having their questions in the chat box.
Yeah, I am texting them only.
Okay, sir. Sir, you can tell over here as well.
So basically, somebody is asking like, can you explain all this practically in the course by live examples. So main thing is like I will get the photographs and videos for the any particular area which we unable to learn anybody from that area. So that can be shown by the video. So process like any example for the MIME fixing that electrical box module box how we can fix in last session somebody was asked. So that can be photos can be shown. By that way I can convey you. So means I can teach you like that way only. So in video some videos can be taken from my end, so that for the next class I can show you. So like material, studying material you can get. I will directly whatever that PPT I used to show you, that can be uploaded to that website itself. So that by that way you can take the means material. So any IS code, referral IS code can be sent directly to the group, and you can take it from there also. So materials will be get. So any doubts? Any doubts you can ask.
Anyone have any doubt? You can ask freely to the expert.
So it is a very good platform to learn the process of the activity, as well as where the key features like IS codes, IS code we have to learn, and many things we can learn. So this is a very good platform for you. So cost will be, Simran, what is the cost of the session? Hello.
Sir, every detail will be given in the group which is created.
Okay. So somebody is asking, may I know cost of course?
Yeah, in the group there will be everything available for it. All the details
Okay,
about the
okay.
course.
So okay. So validity of videos like recorded video.
So for the session, for the course, you will get the recorded video and it is for free.
Okay.
Any more doubts?
So any doubts you can ask regarding course or topics or material, anything.
Sir, what is the total duration of this course?
Duration will be like So 15 to 20 days maximum. So depends on, we will assign that schedule that course detail, like 16 topics will be there, that will be scheduled, and that will be like 20 to 25 days, max to max 20 days will take.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So any doubts you can ask.
I think so there is no more doubt left.
Okay.
Is there any doubt till now, anyone? You can turn on your mic and ask the doubt. I think so no one is there. So all the session detail and everything will be given to you all, the price and the validity of the recording will be for more 2 months after the course is over. After that also the recording will be available for you guys, and in the LMS ID will be created for you all, and in that you will get PPT and recording everything. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the demo session and you are interested for the course. Thank you and good night.
Yes, thank you.